Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to explain how you can create a report in order to know by which keywords people came on your website and if they converted or not. So the final idea is to get a report such as this one named Google SEO, in which you get your keywords over here, you know the page by which they came, you get the number of visits and you get the conversion rate. So first thing first, it's not possible to know in Matomo, so as in any other web analytics platform, the keywords that people typed in a search engine in order to convert. Okay, it's not possible. The data is owned by the search engine, and the search engine are not giving away the data dealing with the visitors. Okay, so to say the data about the user agent, which will help you match it with the keywords. However, what you can do is like on your pages on your website, you can have a placeholder, let's say a meta keyword or whatever you want to call it, so that you can, with Matomo, grab those meta keywords, send them to Matomo, and then create a report linked with the entry page URL in which you can assign it the visits and the conversion rate. So this is your website, let's say. In your website, you mentioned the keywords that you want to play with. In my case, I didn't have any meta keywords, so I used the meta description instead, which is, of course, not good at all, not perfect, but at least it's helping me making this tutorial being flushed. The drawback, of course, to add those keywords in the source code of your page that people from the outside can easily spy you and know the keywords that you are using. But in all cases, normally, if they want to just analyze the source code of your page, they know already the keywords that you want to target. So it's not a big thing to disclose those keywords in your source code. So you insert your keywords in a placeholder. Then within Matomo, what you're going to do is that you create a variable. This variable is going to be a page meta content, and then you can precise that it's going to be meta keywords or meta description or whatever you want. Then what you do is that you create a tag, because you don't want this to fire every time. You just want it to fire if the entry page is the referrer of the entry page is not your website. So what you do is like you create a tag, for example, this one named, in my case, Matomo Analytics, which gonna have a configuration, which is this one. So in my case, that's a custom dimension, which is the number 10. Oops, so sorry, I already showed this one. So yeah, the one I want to show is this one, where you add over here the custom dimension, which is the number 10, description, which is grabbing the variable meta description in my case. And then this tag is going to be a page view tag. And then if the page view referrer is Google, okay, then you fire the tag. So to say here, it means that the entry page will be Google, okay? If the referrer is Google, then you fire the page. What you do on the other side, because you don't want it to fire all the time, is like you have a page view tag where the page view referrer is not Google. So like this, you don't have the page view tag fire twice. Okay, and then I think you are good to go. So next big thing is to create a custom report. In your custom report, you just put the dimension, which is the custom dimension that you created. So in my case, optimize page keyword. You can mention as well the entry page URL as a secondary dimension. Then you pick up the visits and the conversion rate. You can add additional metrics. Then you put a referrer name, which is Google. And then as a result, when your visitors are entering on your website, what's going to happen? So this one is coming from Google, visiting this given page, but the thing is like in my case, I visited twice. Well, anyway, that's the best example. So here you get the optimized page keyword, which is my Matomo partners, which is sent. In this case, you're gonna get the one of the FAQ. And what's gonna happen is like you get your custom report at the end of the day, which is this one, showing you the keywords by which are associated to each page, which has been an entry page. So here my report is not correct because I make some tests in between. But normally over here it's just FAQ. So here normally it's FAQ instead of URL. Here it's my partner. This one is correct, and you get in fact at the end, you know, if those keywords have been subject to the conversion, right? So this will make in fact this URL clearer to understand. Okay, in fact, you can create straight away this report with entry page URL visit and conversion rate, but it's just that this may not be like super talkative because it may contain several keywords behind, and that's typically what you do when you mention this list of keywords over here. And that's everything that I wanted to show you for today. Hope you enjoyed this video.